Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lemonade shake cup. First, select ripe, firm lemons for maximum juice. You'll need about 3 to 4 medium lemons for one serving. Next, prepare a simple syrup by dissolving sugar in hot water, then let it cool. This ensures the sugar fully integrates into your drink. Finally, gather your ice and a reliable shaker. Let's get started on this refreshing beverage. To begin, roll your lemons on a hard surface to soften them, making them easier to juice. Cut them in half and use a reamer or juicer to extract about 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice per serving. Next, add your cooled simple syrup. A good starting point is 2 tablespoons, but feel free to add more or less to suit your taste. Remember, balance is key for a perfect shake cup. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour your lemon juice and simple syrup into a sturdy shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice cubes. This chills the drink quickly and helps dilute it perfectly. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds until the outside of the shaker feels frosty. Pour into a glass, and for an extra touch, garnish with a fresh lemon slice. You can easily customize your lemonade shake cup. Try adding a few muddled berries or a splash of fruit puree for a flavored twist. For a fizzy version, top it off with some sparkling water after shaking. This drink is incredibly versatile and perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your delicious, homemade lemonade shake cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.